Okay, let's start question number 4. Okay, beta, read the question.
The Limited purchased the machine for rupees 5 lakh on 1st April 2012.
Machine account 1st April
2012.
12 to bank. 5 lakh machine? 5 lakh. Okay?
Further additions were made on 1st October 2012 and
1st October 2012. Okay? Wait. April, May, June, July, August, September, October is coming. Okay? Then again we are going to purchase machine, beta. Write down here again. 1st October. Again to bank. These all are the matter of the years, beta. Years and months. You well understand the year and month, then very easy to solve this question. And then again purchase the value of machine, beta.
4 lakh.
4 lakh. Okay.
And then on 1st July 2013.
13 after the year, no? Wait. October, then November, December, January, February, March. Anything new? No. Then March is coming. Then what are you doing? Closing. Now start closing by depreciation 31st March. That is 12. It means it's what? 30. Okay. Clear? Depreciation first machine and second machine. First machine 5 lakh into and second machine 4 lakh into it's October na 6 upon 12 and it's rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation.
10%.
Everyone reading the question but no one remember. Then what amount is coming? All things are written here. What amount is coming? First is
50,000.
and second 28. Up to this is clear? Then what? Closing by balance CD. First machine and second machine. Just take the closing. 5 lakh less 50,000. What amount is coming, beta? 4 lakh less 20,000. Then total amount this side,
9 lakh.
again this side. First 9 lakh and the difference beta 8 lakh 10,000 or not? Up to this is clear or not? Then go for the next year, that is 1st April 13 to balance BD first and second machine. Amount is 450 and 380. Total is 830. No problem about that. Again start counting, month counting. April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Nothing new. November, December. Nothing new is there.
Next year, July.
It's 13, beta, 13. So April, May, June, July. Then what are you telling? Everyone reading the question then? On 1st July,
2014.
13 is going on. 13 is going on. Then to bank. Amount beta?
3 lakh.
3 lakh. One new machine for 3 lakh. July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Anything new? Up to that March, then close. March 14, 31st, March 14, by depreciation first, second and third. Okay? First, second and third. First to very clear, 50,000. Second, on this value, 10%. What about the 40,000? Third on this value. What about is coming? 3 lakh into it's July. Then 9 upon 12 into 10 upon 100. What amount is coming? What amount is coming? 22,500. Calculate this, beta. You are not able to calculate. This function you are not able to calculate. So then 22,500 is coming or not? Tell me this one. Came? No. Anything else?
Yes, sir.
Same value?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this side total amount is 11 lakh 30,000. Take this side 11 lakh 30,000. Take the difference outside. What amount is coming? 500 to 1155. Then take the difference by balance CD first machine, second machine and third machine. Okay, calculate 450 minus 50. What amount is coming? Okay, 380 minus 40. What amount is coming? 3 lakh minus 22,500. What amount is coming, beta? 277. 500.
Yes,
Check it, beta. Then balancing amount, beta. Ten lakh 17,500. Okay, take this amount this side. 10 lakh 17,500. This is the two balance BD. And the first, second, and third. Tell me the first is 4 lakh, beta. Second 340. And third 277. It's the first April 18. This all are 18. Okay, beta? Oh, sorry, 14, huh? 14. It's a 14. Okay, 12, 13, 14. Last year. On 1st April we are standing. Now see what is going on this year. Okay? Start from April, May, June, July, August. See in the book. Anything you can tell me.
it's on 1st January.
August, September, October, November, December, 1st January. 1st January. Problem is coming on 1st January. Write down the date. 1st Jan 15. 2 bank, beta. 2 bank amount.
2,85,000.
2,85,000. It's a new machine. Okay. And same that we are going to sell, na?
Sir, that machine was sold.
2,80,000 we are going to sell or purchase.
Sir, sell.
It's the same amount.
First machine.
It means 1st Jan buy depreciation and buy cash. Buy depreciation, buy cash. Why you bag is packed? Where are you going? Huh? I am studying in class, then don't pack your bag. Buy depreciation and buy cash. Buy cash amount beta 285 and first machine.
New machine was purchased for
Wait.
6 lakhs.
First we are going to sell and then we are going to purchase. Okay? Go easily, then very easy to solve. 4 lakh is value. First we charge the depreciation up to January. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 9 months. Okay, just calculate the 9-month depreciation of this value. What amount is coming? Do it fast. 10% 50,000. Then 9 months, 37,500. See it fast, 9 months. Yes, sir? Okay. Then see profit and loss by loss. I think loss. Loss is there, na? Just calculate this amount. Total of this amount, beta. Total of this amount less from this amount. It's very easy. Okay? Because its value is this. Its total amount is. Tell me fast, beta. Total amount. And less from this 4 lakh. Tell me the loss. It's 3 lakh. 3 lakh 12,500. Then loss amount is 3 lakh 12,500 means 22. 22 means 78,500 is loss. Amount is going to be not 77,500. Loss is there, na? 77 and clear? How to go to the loss? And then we are purchasing a new machine from amount beta 6 lakh on this date. Now January, then February, March. Closing date coming 31st March by depreciation. First finish, then second, third and fourth, na? So second very clear. What amount is coming? 40,000. And this 30,000. Okay. And new machine 60,000 but from the 3 months. So what amount is coming? 15,000. 15,000. Then total amount is 85. Then take the difference. That is balance equation. This side 16,17,500. 16,17,500. Take the balance. That will answer. By balance. See what amount is going? Balance. These total less from this amount. It's a finishing though, so I am not going to calculate the different machine balance, total balance. Only 3 years, beta. Only 3 years, na? Yes, then what amount is coming? It's a 4 lakh. It's a total of 4 lakh. 4 lakh plus 12 lakh 70,000, 12 lakh less 85. 12. 115 and 17. 1132.
And 500.
11 lakh 30. 500 is there? No, I think 500. 500 is there. Okay, 500. Finished? On this way we are solving the questions. If 2 machine is there, only calculation will increase. Okay?